I want to talk about working with fashion and beauty and PR agencies as a photographer. Now, working with this kind of companies will make sure you are able to get bookings a lot quicker. A lot of time, PR companies would work with e-commerce business, big brands to do PR for their bid for their brand. Sometimes you see all these brands out there, but there's a lot of work that goes behind the scene. There's a lot of PR, there's a lot of money being spent on marketing, and which is underestimated. The worst mistake creative people make is they refuse to spend money on marketing. If you spend money on marketing the right way, it can do wonder for your business. Marketing your brand or your business the right way will do so much great for your brand. If you've done a marketing plan, you've done the work, you have your portfolio set, you have your business registration, everything good to go, and you can just put a bit of money. It's set, put like, I don't know, 10% of whatever you're currently hearing towards marketing every month, and see how great your business will go, how far your business will go. Now, obviously, working with this PR agencies, yeah, if you are independent, you have to reach out to them and build a relationship with them. But if you have an agent, more than likely they will want to be the one to do all this for you, to promote you, push you towards the customer, the clients. So if you work with a PR company as well, you can also get them to send a PR or invest on your behalf. So you can get a couple of press release, any newspaper, any local magazines on there. Try to show up on their platform, on their website or whatever. Even for print magazines, you can offer your service to them. Just try to get your name out there, but the goal is just to make sure everything falls back into creating and earning a living. Now, getting represented as a fashion photographer is doing it yourself. This is a double-edged sword, because if you're gonna do all the work yourself, you're gonna take the photograph yourself, you're gonna do the editing yourself, you're gonna contact the clients yourself. It's a lot of work. You need a team. You need a great team with a capital T. Great things are being done with teams. Sometimes people are so individualistic that they want to do things on their own, and I totally get that. If you are a lone wolf, I mean, I'm sure you have a great work ethic, but after sometimes you need a team of people. That this business wouldn't run without a team, so you need a team. So if you're gonna do it alone, maybe have an assistant or someone, like a VA that you can pay. They can do all the emailing for you, contacting people, sending out messages for you, all that kind of stuff. Obviously, one benefit of getting represented is that you don't have to do all finding the customers. Your agency will have that organized for you, and they just take the commission. This can especially be helpful if you're just starting out and you can just focus on taking pictures, honing your skills, building your portfolio, all the administrative part of the business, such as negotiation and that kind of stuff, invoicing. Your agent will do that. But if you're doing it alone, sometimes people might try to lowball you. They might try to offer you particular prices. Whereas for your agent, they know how much the service costs. They're trying to get paid, and you're trying to also make a living. So it's a win-win for both parties. So overall, whether you're going to get represented by an agency or do it yourself, it depends on your own goal, and it depends on what you want. And are you going to have different agencies in different countries, in different cities? Are you going to have an agent to just put you on your shelf? Are they getting you any work? Are you going to leave after a while if you don't get anything? Are you going to work on a deal you're going to have? Or are you going to have a deal whereby it's totally exclusive, that you can't take work outside? Or if you get work outside, that's totally fine. And if they bring you work, there's a split commission. It all depends. I mean, for model agencies, for example, they get dropped easily. They get dropped sometimes if they're taking work outside that they shouldn't be taking.